Good morning. Today's rant about "you're killing me, driving me crazy, fix it," is about an email that I received from a DME company that my monthly rental payment is due for my oxygen machine. Okay, great. I have a statement date 5/28/26. That's it. Thank you. Then I get a customer service number and an email for them. There's no due date, no amount, how to pay it, different ways to pay it. There's no link at all anywhere that I can click and pay it in 20 seconds and boom, you'd have your money. I finally decide to just give it a go, and I click on the name of the company that does the third-party company that does the billing. That happens to work, even though it doesn't look like they have any clickable links either. I click on them, it takes me to a page where I can pay my bill, except I need my statement number, my transaction number, my due date, I don't know, something else. It's crazy! Everybody that creates apps, websites, coder monkeys, etc., engineers, go out and use your own product. Please, you're killing the rest of us. I mean, I will test anything anybody wants to send me. Apps, websites, instruction manuals. Oh my God, they're the worst. So it's driving me crazy. So fix it.